Good morning, Fizz.
Good morning, Fizz.
Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. How are you guys doing? Say, how are you guys doing?
How are you guys doing?
They said they're doing amazing because they're seeing your beautiful, pretty smile. They said, how are you doing?
Um,
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
What are you doing? What did you just do in the living room? You had breakfast?
Yes.
What did you have for breakfast?
Cereal.
You had cereal and
tea.
And did you eat off your cereal?
Yeah.
And did you drink off your tea?
Yeah.
Wow, big boy. You look cold. Are you cold?
Yeah.
You wanna come and sit in mama's bed with her for a bit?
That's because I want to watch your phone.
You wanna watch my phone?
Yeah.
How about you watch your tablet?
No, because I don't want my tablet and watch your phone.
No, you're not gonna watch my phone. You're gonna watch your tablet or you're gonna go play with your toys.
Mama.
Yes?
Mama, it's 0 in my tablet. I'm gonna watch your phone.
Right. You can do that. So where is Papa?
He's at work.
He's at work and you wake up and you wanted to cry because you wanted to give Papa a hug and a kiss, right?
Yeah.
So you want to call him on the phone now?
Yeah.
Alright, let's call Papa. He woke up this morning and he said, Mama, want to kiss Papa and hug Papa. Where is Papa? Okay, let's call Papa so you can talk to Papa. Okay? He's so excited.
What's for Papa?
Honey?
Papa!
Honey?
Yes?
I am in conference. I'll talk to you soon, okay?
Okay, Papa is in a meeting. He'll call you back, okay?
Okay.
He'll call you back later, okay? Don't be sad, it's okay. He's gonna call you back, okay?
Okay.
Go and watch your tablet until Papa call you back later. When he love his Papa, want his Papa. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. We love you guys. We don't really have anything much planned today. It looks a little bit cloudy outside, but let's see what we'll do throughout the rest of today.
It's raining.
No, it's not raining.
It's cloudy.
Yeah, it is cloudy. Oh, hand over mouth. So, whatever it is that you guys are doing today, stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, stay positive. Make sure you guys get all your little workouts in, even if it means that you guys will be walking for a bit. I think I might get some workout in today. Whatever it is that you guys are doing, whether you're going to school, whether you're going to work, whether you feel like you don't want to go, shake it off, get up and go. Listen to some music, change your mood, do something that makes you feel better about living. Do something that makes you feel better. Feel thankful that you wake up this morning, because not many is privileged. to get that chance to just see another day, you know, and we are up and we are thankful and we are humble that we get that chance. So we have to give Almighty thanks. Anyway, you guys, I am going to finish editing this vlog and then continue on with my day and see what is it that I'll take you guys on today. So if it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe, catch up and keep up with the fam. As Tyler said, baby's off to work, but of course we'll catch you guys later. Okay. So of course you guys, we're starting off today's vlog with packages from the fibs unboxing. Okay, let mama cut it and you take it out, right?
Yeah.
So we got a box and a package. So let's see what's in it. Okay. Go ahead. Ooh. This outfit is from my girl Shanique. I see. Yes, it's your girl Shanique too. Ty, look at this. Isn't this cute, you guys? Oh my gosh.
It's for baby sister.
Yeah. So it's a onesie. Oh my god, it's the cutest.
Mama.
A shorts and a headband. Thanks, Shan. It's so cute. Totally in love with it. Okay, now we open the box.
Can we not do it in front of? Can you close the box in front of me?
Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah.
This kid have my personality all through and through him. I swear. Okay, let's see who this box is from and what is in it. It's pretty heavy, so let's see what it is.
And this one is not heavy. No, we have
Wait.
to take out.
Hold on. You're too short to take out. So take off your shoes and Mama gonna put you up here so you can go help me take it out.
Okay.
Alright, and you're gonna take out the things and show the things, okay?
Yum.
Oh, wait. We can't make a mess with these. So we're gonna put them in the bin right away. But it's gonna fall the bin. And this box is definitely from Priscilla. That's okay, Ty. This box is definitely from Priscilla. Why? Because she had stuff.
Auntie Priscilla's my favorite too.
Auntie Priscilla is your favorite too?
Yeah.
Priscilla had sent me a screenshot of bun and cheese and some other things, and I couldn't tell what was it that was in the package, but I think this is it. Alright, let's show Faith what's in here. One at a time. Right. Wait. Come sit, because they can't see you. Right, do like that. So first we have crackers.
Look.
Then we have festival mix.
Look.
Oh my god! Saltfish! Saltfish!
Crumbs.
All-purpose seasoning! Priscilla ain't joking. Woohoo! What is this? Wait, let me see what is this. Y'all, you guys, I'm not gonna cry today, oh. I'm not gonna cry today.
No,
okay?
and me no too.
Oh my gosh, this is Jerk Walker's wood marinade. Yeah, but you already gave it to me. I said stop shouting. This is Jerk Walker's wood marinade. Ha hard dough bread. Yes, Priscilla, come true for me. Oh my god. Holy cow, sorrel. sorry. Ty, I tell you to kneel down. Don't stand. Kneel.
Okay.
Right. Let's see what's this one. Oh boy, Priscilla. That's what I'm gonna do with you. Guava jam. Alright, Auntie P, I see you. Thank you. I haven't had guava jam in forever. Wait, Ty, wait. What is this? Jerk seasoning. Oh my gosh, cheese. A little cheese in the package. What is this? Cream of wheat?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I haven't seen this in forever. Oh, Priscilla, you're giving my heart flutters right now. Hot and spicy fried chicken coating. What? I've never seen any of these things. What is this? More cheese. Oh my gosh. Pimento seed. Oh my gosh. What is this? Aki. Lord. Easter is here. Priscilla sent me man.
Nothing.
It's finished?
Yeah.
Oh. Yes.
Priscilla,
Auntie Priscilla.
Auntie Priscilla, you did the sandwich. I got a better thank you.
Thank you, Auntie Priscilla. We appreciate every single thing in our goodie box. Appreciate it.
Mama.
And this bun and cheese come just in time because my previous one is finished. Thank you, Priscilla, and I shall toast some of this hard-dough bread with some butter later. Cream of wheat. I shall definitely be making this for Tyler and for myself. Thank you, Priscilla, and thank you for my sorrel. I shall be drawing that. And for my saltfish, I'll be making Aki and Saltfish and Festival. Oh my God, what am I gonna do without you guys? You guys are just so amazing. Thank you, Priscilla, and I won't cry, okay?
Mama.
Yes, Di.
You know that is you know that I you know that you know
Calm
that
down now.
you know that it's not a lot and I'm not gonna cry.
Right, we're not gonna cry. And as the bird came, not even 10 minutes after it came, I had to drop 2 pieces in the toaster and toast it and having it with some butter. This is one of my absolute favorite way of having hard-dough bread, and it seemed like my stomach was waiting on it this morning for breakfast. Because I'm gonna have this yumminess right now. Okay, you guys, so this mama is going for a power walk. This mama is going to get a 30-minute power walk on the treadmill right now. I'm looking for my phone. I don't know where I put my phone. Maybe it's outside already. All I need now is my water and my rag to wipe my face. Let's see if I can find that real quick. Yep, got it. Ooh, aggressive match. So I'm going to get a quick 30 minutes walk on my treadmill with baby girl because we're feeling good, we're feeling motivated, we're feeling energized this morning. So why not go for a nice little power walk with her? She'll enjoy that, I'm sure, because she loves to work out with mama. Okay, she will enjoy that because she loves working out with mama. So I'm gonna go for a walk and then get my day started and pumping and get this alert adrenaline going so that I can really have a good, peaceful, clear mind and clear day. Okay, good. Alright, so let's get this workout done, you guys.
Independent gala, real number one trending gala. Now, good but can't afford to lose. You
So, go like this.
I mean, meditation, sharp like studs. Them G's full, even them say all of them are miss. Oh, go for the sound, them are sent for the chalice.
You guys, oh my gosh, you guys. Workout was so good. Workout was so divine. Like, workout makes me feel like I'm not even pregnant. I actually ran. I ran a little bit, take my time, and I feel really good. And then I walk it out. I did some little light workout off the treadmill, and then I went back on the treadmill to walk and finish. I feel so good. Listen, when you listen to your body, you never go wrong. I'm not gonna tell you don't take other people's experience and other people's advice, but most importantly, listen to your body, listen to your gut, and whatever it tells you to do, just go for it without fear. I have been working out, but not in the form of treadmill. I have been dancing, or I have been walking, like walking taking Tyler to school, walking coming back, walking in the mall, walking at the park. You guys see me at the park playing soccer with him, and those things still keep active. So me working out whenever my body tells me to do it, and I do it, it just feel like I never even left for a second. And this morning was one of those mornings where my body said, girl, go for it, and I went in on it. I got in roughly about 50 minutes in total between all the workouts and the run and the walk, and that feels so good. I went straight and give myself a bath, give Tyler a bath. Tyler had lunch already, so that's good. Now I am going to have some lunch, and I'm having leftovers from yesterday. I had made quinoa and chicken wings in the oven, and I have some callaloo leftovers, still have some more, so I'm gonna put that back in the fridge. So this is what my lunch is gonna be like for today. So I'm gonna warm this, eat it, and get some organizing going in this house and in this kitchen, because my house is a little bit messy, and you guys know that I can't function. I just can't leave it like that. So I'm gonna do that after I eat, but I'm gonna eat first to get back some energy and get back fuel and stuff. All right, so let's go put this in the microwave. And if you guys haven't seen my, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my food channel, please go ahead and do so. The link is down below in the description box. Mel's Kitchen Jamaica. If you don't click on the description and you just want to search for it, if you don't click in the description and you want to search for it, it's Mel's Kitchen Jamaica. And yeah, you'll find me there, and I'll show you guys a few of the dishes that I've been doing lately. Just simple things, but you know, authentic Jamaican cooking. But yeah, I am gonna eat right now. Hopefully you guys are following your heart. Hopefully you guys are listening to your instinct, and just go for whatever it is that you want to do. Let nobody tell you you can't do it. Let nobody stop you from experience what you want to experience. Love you guys, and I'm gonna grab right now. You had a good nap?
Yes, Mama,
You want what? You're hungry?
Yeah.
You want comfort? Go have a comfort. Okay?
I want to put
And what?
and
Stop doing your eye like that.
cheeseburger.
You want comfort and cheeseburger?
Yeah.
Really? You're so funny. Go have a comfort. We'll see about the cheeseburger, okay?
I'm gonna cook the bread for the cheeseburger for you.
No, that's okay. Just have the comfort for now.
And then the cheeseburger.
Maybe later. Okay? That was a long nap. Here you go. Go and sit. I love you.
Not in my nose.
What in your nose? What's in your nose?
Not here. They can make it here.
Okay, come. I'll give you the kiss in your nose.
Yeah.
Mwah. That's better?
Yeah.
Okay. Came for today, so we're opening it. So let's see what it is.
Hi, babe. I want to take that.
Okay, you take it out.
I
Take it out here.
Okay.
Ooh, that's an outfit for baby sister.
Yeah.
And I think this outfit is from Miss Patsy Presley.
No,
Take it out.
Yeah, take it out.
Oh, it's so cute. Look at this little skirt though. And this goes the, okay, I think it's like a little vest. This is the straps for it. And that's the top.
No, it's a headband.
No, this one is not a headband. It's to go on the button. So thank you, Miss Patsy.
Mama, I'm coloring.
Yeah, you're obsessed with coloring these days, right?
Yeah.
You love to color, and he colors so well. Look at that. Pause and show them the page that you already did, that you finished. Right, you did that all by yourself, right?
Yeah.
Show them the other page that you did earlier.
This one.
The one with the dolphin.
No, that's the one with the dolphin.
Yeah, look at that. Come on, boy, go. Good job, baby. All right, go back to the one that you're doing. You guys, my baby and I in the kitchen. He wanted polenta for... I'm gonna tell you. He wanted polenta for dinner.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make that, right? And he wants to make it with me. So first, you put some milk in the pot.
Okay.
Like this. Okay.
Pandora.
Then we're gonna put some polenta in the pot.
And I can do it with this.
No, not with the spoon.
And I can mix it with
Just hold the bag. Hold the bag. So I'm gonna make some for you and Papa, okay?
Yes, and you just put that top.
No, just you and Papa.
No, I do that.
Now you mix it with the spoon. Oh, we're gonna add a little salt.
Okay.
Okay, you can mix it now. Wait, don't use this one. Use this one.
Okay.
Mix it nicely.
Mama, there's more. There's more potato.
There's more butter.
Yeah?
When it starts cooking, we'll add it in. Now we're gonna put it on the stove, okay?
Yeah, there's more.
That's okay. It will melt. On your finger? Put it in your mouth. Is yummy?
Yeah.
You're so funny. Baby's home and he's motivated by me working out this morning. So he's working out. You see?
Papa.
Hey, go baby, go baby, hey. Okay, you guys, that is Tyler's polenta. That's his turned cornmeal. If you guys wondering what French people call polenta, it's turned cornmeal. And he's having that with chicken, but it's so hot.
Mama,
Yes, Ty.
polenta
He's
is
so right.
French.
Yes, polenta is French. You ready for dinner?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me get you some water. Say hi to the kids.
Hi guys, I'm
Hi, Dave.
Tyler always. Yeah, Monday morning, well, I'm tired. It's only Monday and
I'm proud of you for working out when you got home, honey.
I try.
He was motivated, I'm sure, because I tell him
tried.
I work out. You did
I
well.
try. It's easier when you do than when you want.
That's
so,
true.
Yeah, I try.
You did well.
I think
They're cloudy.
Need to be
They're
more
cloudy.
consistent. That's the most important.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
now I'm tired. I'm just gonna lay down, sit or whatever, and just gonna rest and relax.
Yeah, we're just gonna end the vlog right here for today.
Oh, they won yesterday.
He and his
Well,
mustard
yesterday,
team.
like game one, so maybe when you see they will have lost game two, but they won.
Alright, end the vlog.
Hopefully you have a good day today with Babe and Tyler. We are about to relax for the end of the day, so don't forget to subscribe, catch up and yep. Tyler always come to me, catch up and keep up and not peep up. And we see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, guys.